Hi everyone, this is a quick video on how to set up a wheel on City Transport Simulator. First of all, go to Options, then go to Controls, then choose Bus, then choose Other Devices. Make sure your wheel is registered at the top, shown on the screen, and then go to Quick Setup. Click Next Step, and then choose any button you want on your wheel for the horn, or you can skip it and do it for the toggle doors, and then do it for door 1, door 2, and so on and so on. Do it for your parking brake, then do your indicators left and right. Switch cameras if you want to, or you can skip. Skip the gears unless you really want a manual, because most buses are automatic. And for your wheel, make sure it's a neutral position, and then with the gas pedal, hold it down, press apply. Brake pedal, hold down, press apply. Steering wheel, turn all the way to the left, press apply. Then turn the wheel all the way to the right, press apply, and then finalize. Congratulations, you've just set up your wheel.